Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Realme 12X and let me share with you how to change a system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Then let's tap on language and region, and here we've got the list of all, let's say, currently applied languages. We've got English and Spanish, so we've got fast access to those options. So let's edit them. Let's add new language. So let's tap on edit, and here we have to scroll down to find the language we'd like to use. So let me choose, for example, the Greek one. Just tap on this plus icon. Your device will ask you whether you want to set the new language as a default one, so let's tap on yes. And as you can see, from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. If you've got more than one language added here in this list, you can quickly change the language by reordering the languages present. So let's simply tap on it and hold it and then drag it to the first position. Let's tap on change, I believe. And as you can see, from now on the whole system will be displayed in the English language in my case. Of course, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on this edit icon, and here you have to tap on this minus icon to remove it from this, let's say, quick launch list. And after getting back, you can see that we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.